Traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. And to remember what we are trying to do, we are trying to build the three pillars. Pillar number one is the strategy and or the system. Pillar number two is the risk management, and pillar number three, which is the big one, is the psychology part. And what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Hello King of Swing, happy Tuesday. Hello Annie, hello Miguel. Everybody, we are almost there, right? So we need to talk about psychology, and then we are going to have a Forex trading week, and then we are going to start all over again, right? And remember everybody, now talking about the trader psychology, this is the answer why 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Also remember, webinars are not trading or investment advice, and for homeworks or questions you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. So let's start everybody, and here is the question. After we've learned market structure, highs and lows and trends, after we learned trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formations, after we've learned multiple time frames, Fibonacci, crowns, news trading, after we've learned strategy and system indicators, MACD, Stochastic, moving average, Ichimoku, whatever, why aren't we consistently profitable? Hello Christian, hello Rina, hello Janobi. Why aren't we, everybody, consistently profitable? What do you think? What do you think, everybody? Why, after we've learned all of this, right? Oh, FXPassion, I've watched your webinars 3 times all over again. Why aren't we consistently profitable? Meaning, we have a winner, loser, loser, winner, winner, loser, 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 winner, winner, loser, loser, winner, loser, 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 winner, loser, winner, winner, loser. Right? Why 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide? And it's getting worse, not better, it's getting worse. What's the answer? Psychology. Now psychology, it's a big word, Everybody, when I say something like this, oh, I know what I should be doing, but for one strange reason, I'm not doing it. Can you relate to this? Homeostasis, yes sir. Bom dia, Professor Zuelius, how are you? Everybody, can you relate to this? I know what I should be doing, I know what I should do in market structure, highs and lows, trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, multiple time frame trading. I know what I should do, but for some strange reason, I'm not doing it. Who can relate to this, everybody? Can you relate to this? I know that I shouldn't jump when I see a candle moving up or down and I'm jumping, Can you relate to this, everybody? Is this you? For sure, it's me. No, it's not me. Aha, right. Not you, right? Now show your results, please, if it's not you. See everybody how the story changes in a second? If you say, no, this is not me. Okay, perfect, so we have a trader. Can you show us your result? Well, I don't have a password and oh, I didn't link my account to any third party verifying and blah blah blah, right? And another question is trading technical or is trading emotional? What is trading? Let me see if I have here the picture. Not here, not. Okay, next time. I don't have it here, but still okay. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. Yes. Sometimes. Everybody is trading technical or is trading emotional? What do you think? I had a picture here, but it... Anyway, it's not about the chart. It's not about the chart, you know. So after, this is the answer, you know, why after we learned market structure, highs and lows, trends, trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, Fibonacci, crowns, everything, you know. Why aren't we consistently profitable? Yes, as Christian is saying, because trading is emotional. And it's not about the chart, it's about how we interpret the chart. Are we interpreting the chart as a threat? And the second logical step is what we are going to do with the chart, you know. What action you take upon your interpretation of the chart. Miguel, both emotional and technical. No, sir. Trading is 80% emotional. Everybody. It's not technical at all. And you are going to learn this in the Forex course too, everybody. Trading in the next level has nothing to do with the charts. I mean nothing. You can ask Christian if you want, he is here. Everybody. Professional trading has nothing to do with the chart. Why is that? Because professional traders, they don't think. They just execute. You know? Yes, unfortunately. Why unfortunately? Annie, why unfortunately? It's a learnable skill. Hello everybody, I won't miss this for anything. Thank you, Regan. So, this is why I'm not consistently profitable, everybody. You know, I've learned about Fibonacci's and support, resistance, market wave, market structure, you know, multiple time frames trading. And when I sit in front of the chart and when I enter the market, and if I interpret the chart as a threat, you know, I enter the market and the market goes against me. Now I interpret the chart as a threat. You know, I'm going to think that everything is okay, but it's really not, you know, because we are emotional and many times we are not aware what we feel when we trade. Oh, but I'm not feeling anything. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are a human being, right? What is the difference between a human being and a robot? Human beings feel. So everybody, listen to your master. We are feeling when we trade. No, I'm not feeling anything. Okay, you know, you can accept what we are teaching you. You can also reject, you know. But I'm telling you, everybody, if you know everything about the chart and the trend lines and the Fibonacci and the Ichimoku, if you know everything to the level that you can teach this and you have no money in the bank, there is only one place left for you to learn, and it's psychology. Make sense, everybody? Does this make sense to you? Am I talking nonsense to you, everybody? The question is, after you've learned trend lines, market structure, highs and lows, indicators, strategies, multiple time frame trading, candlestick formations, bullish, bearish, different patterns, different styles, scalper, intraday, swing trader, news trader. After all of this, and if you don't have money in the bank from trading, there is only one place left, and it's psychology. Now my question to you is, does this make sense to you, everybody? Or am I talking nonsense? Like, oh no, it's not psychology, Could not possibly be psychology. What do you think, everybody? Some of you are with me for years, and if nothing changed, the answer is easy. You didn't work on your psychology. I need to improve my chart. It's not about the chart. I need to improve my strategy. It's not about the strategy either. It's about my psychology. It's not about the chart. It's not about the strategy. It's not about the entry. It's not about the trade management. It's not about the exit. Right? Why not? Because you know all of this, everybody, but for some strange reason, you are not doing it, are you? King of Swing says, makes sense, Zuelius. Yes, makes sense. Christian says, correct, teacher. Rina says, makes sense. Okay? So what we're going to do, we are going to start to read and learn about the mind traps. This is from my ebook. You can find it on Amazon if you want. Okay? It's for free for the one who are in the courses. And let's start with this, don't trust your memory, and let's push further. Not this, not this, not this. Mind traps. Friends, we need your finger up, please. You don't need to ask this, Victor. No, please. If they like, they're going to finger up. If no, we appreciate also a thumb down, But thank you, Victor. So mind traps, and this is the premise. I know what I should do, but for some strange reason, we are not doing it. Now, mind trap number 1, is it possible that you secretly want to lose? What stops us to do this? Psychology. Is it possible that you secretly want to lose, everybody? And what did we write in the book? Unfortunately, this type of psychological behavior actually exists. Self-destructive behavior can easily manifest itself in the minds of the market traders, particularly among day traders, since they tend to exercise the need for a result within the same day, and the markets offer a vast array of opportunities for self-sabotaging as well as self-realization. This tendency also exists within swing traders and position traders, although it might not be that obvious. Often it is overwhelming for the day trader when prices are dancing around their eyes and it seems the market is joking with them. When this happens, it's time to understand the truth. Who are you? How do you think? So everybody talking about self-sabotaging, if we don't think in the correct way, okay, and maybe this lesson is going to be difficult, so please watch it over and over and over again, okay. Now let's say that when we grow up, right, when we grew up as children and we were like 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, and our parents were telling us, you are not good enough, who do you think you are? And they were telling us, no, this is not right, no, this is not right, no, this is not correct. So they were stepping on us, they were just saying what we did wrong, when we were kids, what did we know about them, right? And now we are in our 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and we are so intelligent, right? We are so intelligent. Spanish, please. Gerald, me disculpa, eu no hablo español. But Victor does. Victor, write in the chat, please, in Spanish, so Gerald can connect with you if you want. Okay? No hablo español, disculpa. I don't know if I said correctly in Spanish, Gerald. So everybody, you see, when we were kids, and if our parents was just stepping on us, like, oh, who do you think you are, do you think money grows on trees, and all of these bullshits, right? That no, you are not good enough, and no, this is not good, or think about this, or what are you doing, what are you doing? So, and now we are at our 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, 60s, 70s, whatever, and we are losing the account. This is the why. Because why did I mention when we were children, Because the subconscious mind, it's wide open and it's closing when we are 7, 8 something. Okay? And what our parents or other authorities put in our subconscious mind, this is how we think. This is how we think. And now this is the trick, everybody. This is why 90% of traders are losing money. This is the trick. It's subconscious. It's subconscious. If I have a subconscious belief that I'm not worth it, that I'm not worth being a millionaire, if I have a subconscious belief that I'm not worth the money, and if I have the subconscious belief that I'm not worth of this success, guess what I'm going to do? On the trading account, subconsciously, what I'm going to do, everybody? What do you think? If I have a subconscious belief, because my parents were telling me that I'm no good, that I'm a mess, that who do you think I am, and now as an adult in my 30s, 40s or 50s or whatever, I could be 100 years old, you know, and I'm not moving, I'm not progressing, you know, because I don't have self-worth. I think I'm not worthy of the money. I think I'm not worthy of the success. Guess what I'm going to do with my trading account? And I learned Fibonacci's, and I learned multiple time frame trading, and I learned Ichimoku and candlestick formation systems. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to what is the word? I'm going to this is the answer. This is one of them. I'm going to do what? I'm going to who knows the answer? Self-sabotage, exactly. I'm going to self-sabotage myself. And this is one reason when we know that, oh, I know what I should be doing, you will lose your money. Yes, but I was looking for a maybe not on demo, you know. I'm going to lose, yes, but the work like a horse, exactly. I was looking for a more psychological word, you know. I'm going to self-sabotage myself. And yes, I'm going to lose money and I'm going to work like a horse. Now here is a trick, everybody. Professional traders, consistently profitable professional traders, we don't trade alone. Period. End of story. We don't trade alone. Why not? Because if you understand, everybody, what we are talking right now, you know, when I trade, I think that sabotage, yes, when we trade, we think that everything is okay, and we think that everything is normal, when in reality we are self-sabotaging ourselves subconsciously. It's a subconscious behavior. When we are saying, everybody, that trading is 80% emotional, this is what we are talking about. We are going to execute behaviors subconsciously. You know, when I enter prematurely in the market, what am I doing with myself? You know, I've learned that the counter trend line is valid only when the candle closes the body on the other side. So this is what I should do. Now I'm looking at the chart and the candle is not closed yet, and I jump in the market. For any reason, but you better believe me that I'm emotional, I'm behaving emotionally. And when I enter the market prematurely, what I just did, I just self-sabotage myself, because I learned, you know, everybody, I learned. Where is the picture? I learned all of this stuff, you know. I learned market structure, trend line, support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formations, strategy systems, stochastic, Ichimoku, multiple time frames, Fibonacci. I learned all of this, but I'm not doing it. And when I'm not obeying the rules of the strategy, when I'm not obeying the rules on how the market works, I am self-sabotaging myself. And you are doing this too, everybody. You know? And if you are stubborn, maybe, just look at your results. You know? When somebody comes to class, when we talk about psychology, and he or she is saying, no, not me, okay, let's look at your results. Numbers don't lie, everybody. You know? And if you are stubborn, you know, you are saying to yourself, not me, not me, I'm not self-sabotaging myself, not me. Look at your results. And everybody, you cannot grow and overcome your psychology unless you accept this. My name is FXPassion, and I am self-sabotaging myself. It's like traders, it's like Traders Anonymous, you know. Hello, my name is FXPassion and I'm self-sabotaging. But it's true, everybody, you know. It's true. You cannot grow as a trader, talking about psychology, unless you accept this. You know. And what is the first stumbling block? The first stumbling block is to accept that trading has nothing to do with charts, trading has nothing to do with the strategy, and trading has everything to do with psychology. And you can ask FX campaigner here. He has a lot of experience. A lot. Right, Victor? Everybody, FX campaigner needed 6 months. 6 months just to stop changing his strategy. And believe me, he is not stupid. He is very intelligent, very, very intelligent, smart guy. See, everybody, and this is one of the reasons why 90% of traders worldwide are losing. You know, it's not about being intelligent. It's not about being smart. It's not about hard work either. It's not about your age or skin color or religion. It's all about the subconscious mind. Make sense, everybody? Are you still with me? Yes, I'm self-sabotaging teacher. Welcome to the club. Me too, you know. King of Swing, me too. And professional traders too, just on different levels, you know. What is the difference between a trader who just finished Forex course 101 and he's teaching somebody, he or she knows everything about the charts and the trend lines and the Fibonacci's, you know. And so what's the difference between this trader and a professional trader? Professional traders learned, it's a learnable skill, how to self-sabotage less. Nobody's perfect, don't worry, everybody. But as professional traders, we just learn how to make less and less and less of those mistakes. And because we are humans and we feel, you know. Yeah, right, Victor? 6 months just to stop. Oh, it's a strategy. And I was telling him, it's not. Oh, I need to change the entry. It's not about the strategy. Oh, maybe it's my trade management. It's not about the strategy. Everybody, no strategy or system is going to help you until you obey the rules. You know? So I know what I should do, but I'm not doing. Why not? Well, maybe it's possible that I secretly want to lose. You know? Maybe in my... So what is the homework, everybody? And it's a difficult one, right? Why is that? Because nobody likes to introspect. I mean, nobody. Nobody likes to introspect. What is your homework until tomorrow? Look at your results. It doesn't matter if you're trading for 1 year, 3 years, 7 years, 20 years. Look at your results. And talk to yourself, you know, ask yourself, well, maybe subconsciously, you know, maybe something is not right there. You know, I'm not stupid, you know, I'm not stupid, I'm intelligent, but I'm not producing the results that I want to see. And this is the homework, you know, this is the first step. You need to accept, everybody, that we are subconscious. Oh, we are not. Yes, we are. And it's a process, yes, sir. We are subconscious, we are emotional when we trade. Right? And unless you accept this, everybody, nothing is going to change you. It doesn't matter how many courses you listen to. It doesn't matter how many mentors you have. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Nothing is going to change in your trader's life until you accept, acknowledge, and understand this. I'm promising you nothing. You can stay here for years with FXPassion, Forex Course 101. Unless you understand how psychology works, nothing is going to change. And it's not about the money, because some students are calling me, oh, but I have $1 million. Well, you are going to lose it, my friend. No, but I cannot lose. Yes, you can. And if you're going to do stupid things, please stop when you are going to lose 10%. Just stop, you know. Try if you want. You say, oh, I'm not believing what FXPassion is saying, you know. It cannot be like this. Well, just try. But if you lose 10%, stop, alright? Stop. You are not ready yet. You are not skilled enough. You know, oh, but when am I going to be ready? When you improve your psychology. As Victor said, you can ask everybody, now it's the time, this is a community. You have Christian and Victor that are in the Forex course 202. And you can ask them, did you ever see a chart in the Forex course 202? Where I'm telling you that professional trading has nothing to do with charts. I mean nothing. And you can ask them about the difficulties, you know. Yeah, I know I should stop changing my strategy. Well, stop. No, but I know what I should do, but I'm not doing it. Oh, but this is difficult. Well, yes and no. Yes and no. The first time when we introspect, everybody, of course it's difficult, you know, because we never done this, you know. Especially if you are 50 or 60, everybody, when somebody's telling you, oh, you need to learn about psychology, oh, but I'm not crazy, you know. I'm not crazy. Why is that? Because back in time, in the 1960s, 1970s, psychology was all just for the crazy people. But in 2020, psychology is what it should be taught first in the trading houses. And it's not. Why not? Because people still don't understand this, you know. Let's be honest here, everybody. If I put out Forex Psychology Trading Course 101, how many students am I going to have? Forex Psychology course. And somebody else is going to put out Forex Trader course or Forex Millionaire course. How many students am I going to have, huh? 0. Not 1. 0. 0. And it's normal. Hello Husnaini, how are you? And it's normal, everybody, you know. It's normal and it's understandable. But in the end, you know, this is why you are learning about psychology. You know. In the most successful trading firms, psychology is taught first, not last. But they are not telling this to the junior traders. Why not? Because they would run away, you know. Me, learning about psychology, I'm not crazy. Now what is the reality? The reality is what you are listening today, everybody, is that after you've learned counter trend line breaks, crowns, Fibonacci's, multiple time frame, systems, support, resistance, pivot points, after you've learned everything, for years, some of you, for years, and some of you are teaching this to the others, and some of you are better than me teaching this to the others, but no money in the bank as a trader. This is the reality. There is only one place left for you to learn and to grow, and it's psychology. Right? So don't forget about the homework, everybody. Look at your results for the past year or 2 or 3 and try to talk to yourself. Like, you know, well, maybe something's not right. You know? Stoyan is saying many people perceive having the technical skill to trade to be more important than the psychological skill to trade, and these are also the people who are not consistently profitable. Thank you, Stoyan. Looks like you talk from experience, huh? Stoyan too, everybody. Stoyan is in the incubation, live account, real money, trading for other, and he's in the Forex course 202. Ask him. Ask him what professional trading is all about. Or if you are shy, connect with them after the lesson, after the Dukascopy lesson. Connect with the guys, ask them questions. How are you doing, you know? How was your journey so far? Are you profitable? What are the challenges that you are having? What do you think? Can I make it? Everybody. I think Stoyan is saying from his experience, right, Stoyan? But it's normal, you know. We are all the same, believe me. We start all the same. I saw Wall Street, what was the movie? The Wolf of Wall Street movie, and I said, man, this is me. I want to be like this, you know. And then I start searching and researching, and I'm thinking that it's technical, you know. I think that it's the strategy, and it's the Fibonacci and the indicators and the super JP Morgan Chase robot, you know. But after a few years, you come to a conclusion that it's all about psychology and has nothing to do with the charts. And some of you guys are learning this, you know. And what is the good news and the bad news? The good news, it's a learning process. What is the bad news? Some of you want to make this change instantly, and it doesn't work. Because your subconscious mind was formed in years. So if your habits, everybody, if your beliefs, if your it's common sense, right? If my beliefs, what I believe about myself, if my beliefs took 7, 8, 9 years to form, how can I expect a change in one day? It's not realistic, isn't it? So we need to, after we learn the Fibonacci's and support resistance, after we learn the technical stuff, we need to allow some time for our psychology to improve and for the concepts to set in. And if we are impatient, oh, I want my Ferrari tomorrow. If we are impatient and we quit in the middle, it's never going to happen. And this is the reason why 90% of traders all over the world are still losing money. You know? Allow yourself, everybody, a year in order to learn, not Fibonacci's, but in order to learn how psychology works. A year. Stoin is saying, yes, I do. The thing is that learning people trading psychology does not teach you how to trade the charts, but people think that the charts is where they need to be excelling at. Exactly. While in reality the right heart set and mindset give you the ability to use the charts. Exactly. Which trading psychology focuses on. Exactly. I can be the best teacher in the world, everybody. The best, you know. But I have no money in the bank as a trader. You know. It's like parents teaching their kids, you know. The kids are not going to do what we are saying as parents, but the children are going to do what we are doing. You know? So, what would be a nice resources about this problem, you know? Is it possible that I want to lose secretly, you know? And as the book is saying, there are several self-destructive thoughts that in the moment of truth will affect your reasoning and the way you act, meaning the way you trade. Try reading T. Harv Eker's excellent book, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. It's a great resource for you to understand what are your beliefs about money and self-worth, everybody. Because he discusses how our thoughts influence how we react. One example he mentioned is if you subconsciously believe that you do not deserve to be successful or rich, no matter how many trading courses you take, no matter how many wealth building videos you watch on YouTube, no matter how much knowledge, mental knowledge you acquire, no matter how hard you study, no matter how hard you work, because all of us, we are working hard, right? All of us, we are working hard, but no matter how hard we work, in the end, we are going to fail. Not me. Maybe my friend, but not me, right? This is a difficult truth to swallow, everybody. But unfortunately, in the struggle between the subconscious mind and the conscious mind, which is the intellectual mind, the subconscious mind always wins. I mean always. Passion, I don't believe you. Great. Ask your friend that it's a psychologist. Ask your psychiatrist, psychologist friends. In the battle between the subconscious mind and the conscious mind, who wins 100? It's not 99. Who wins 100% of the time? Passion, I don't believe you. This is great. Ask your psychologist, psychiatrist friends. And if the subconscious mind wins 100% and we are subconscious when we trade, what is this going to do on our account if our, as Stoyan is saying, if our heart set and mindset is not positioned in the right way? What is going to happen with our trading account? And one more time, everybody, you can work as hard as you want. So what's the answer? The answer is there is the correct way of working hard and there is the incorrect way of working hard. And if you are working hard not in the correct way, guess what is going to happen with your account? It doesn't really matter them or live. Hello Akos, how are you? So everybody tell me, before we finish, what did you learn today? What did you learn today, everybody? Hello Fabrizio. What did you learn today, everybody? What did you learn about yourself? I really hope that you are going to accept, everybody, what we are teaching you here. And one more time, you know, if you are stubborn, just look at your results. You don't need to tell me in the chat, you know, because, you know, for somebody of you, I get it, you know, it's difficult. But do it for yourself, everybody, you know, do it for yourself. Look at your results from the past 1, 2, 5, 7 years, whatever, and talk to yourself. You know? And how is the talk going to go? You are going to say to yourself, as I did, you know, 20 years ago, as I did, you know, number one, I'm not stupid, but something is not right. You know? I need to change something. You know, when it's the time to wake up, everybody, this is the self-talk that you are going to have. I cannot go like this anymore. I need to change something. I learned the Fibonacci's, I learned the multiple time frames. I'm giving classes, for God's sakes, but I have no money in the bank. So I need to change something. Regan says, understand yourself before entering the charts. Great post, Regan. Christian, you will lose money from your account. Okay, everybody, our time is almost up. So this is the first part of Trader Psychology series. Watch this video over and over and over again Study this webinar over and over and over again. Try to learn over and over and over again and do something. Do something, everybody. Don't stay here in Dukascopy webinars forever. You know? Oh, Passion, don't you like us? Yes, yeah, I love you guys and girls, you know, I love you, you know, but I'm talking about you as a trader. You need to grow up. King of Swing, I learned that there are hidden problems that need to be addressed and be corrected. Exactly, King of Swing, congratulations to you. How are you going to know that you have hidden problems? What is the answer, everybody? How are you going to know? How are you going to consciously understand? How are you going to become aware that we have hidden problems? Thank you, Fabrizio. We are going to see our numbers. We are going to see the results. Right? Okay, Monday, Tuesday, next level number 1, just quickly. If you want to accelerate your learning curve and not waste 1, 2, 3 years, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101, or if you want to move to the next level and learn how to trade as a professional, learn the mindset and the heart set, and this is what we are talking about today. Ask for the Forex Trader Course 202, where we are not talking about the charts, everybody. Okay? Our time is up. Do the homework until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and introspect with passion. This is